Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S9 that needs a new camera. And David is on it right now. Can he fix it? You heard it right, we're gonna replace the camera module on this Galaxy S9, and as you can see, the back cover is pristine, the front glass and front screen is also working, so we have to be very careful because when we put this back together, all these components should remain the same or functional. And right there in the top middle is the main camera. So before we can reach that component, we have to remove the shroud that covers the board and the battery. And this is actually the wireless charging module as well. So we're gonna detach the battery cable, and then we're gonna extract all the components, specifically the motherboard. So this is the motherboard, and we're gonna remove the defective camera. It's simple, but going to this module is kind of tedious, and you have to be very careful when you press this in because the motherboard is far more expensive than the part that we're gonna replace right here. So this is the replacement camera module. We have this on stock today, and we're just gonna press it in and it's good. So right now we're gonna reassemble this Galaxy S9 and immediately test if it's working. At this stage we can start testing it. We just have to connect some connectors. You don't have to have a full reassembly before you can test the camera. We're not going to show you the user pin. It's private and it's starting, so that's a good sign. That means the Galaxy S9 is still working. And as you can see, David is just going to continue putting back stuff while the unit is booting. That's okay. That's why when we recommend that you go to a professional technician, you have to go to the professional technician because they have experience, and this is now working. Sometimes when you see something on the internet and it looks easy like this, like how David does it, it really is not when you do it on your own. So DIY approach on sensitive electronics like this Galaxy S9 is still kind of risky, especially when you're dealing with sensitive electronics and of course combustible battery that can explode. So right here we're gonna reassemble the whole thing. We have proven that the replacement camera is working, and we're gonna attach the back cover to finish the job. So it's not a Sydney CBD Repair Centre video if you don't see cover for the screen display. This is a freebie, but we kind of include this because it's kind of meditative or relaxing to watch. You know, when you sometimes put this on your own and then you mess it up because there's a lot of bubbles. You can see a lot of techniques when David does it here. So this is not glass, this is kind of a plastic cover that wraps around the Galaxy S9. So these flaps are guide flaps. You have to remove them, and then it will expose the contact surface. It will seamlessly align It's kind of annoying when you see bubbles forming on the side or even in the middle. Well, right there, you can see it. But you just have to lift it up, let the air go out, and then put it back in. Who knew? Right here on the back, it's gonna wrap around. It's kind of not an issue, but you can still make it look pretty if you want to. So even if you see a small one, you can still have a second go at it, like this one, which is kind of really amazing. And it's done. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time. Cheers.